Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube substitutes, imposters, trolls, people who can't mind their own business, or bad cooks. All right, this is 3 1/4, 3 1/3 pounds of chicken with the fat taken off, boneless chicken, carrots, celery, bell peppers, mushrooms, a little bit of butter. And I had to take it out of the glass pan because there was too much stuff. So what I'm sorry you can't see, but there is chicken in here. And I have a little bowl of garlic chicken. I just ate a piece and it attacked me. I'm not going to buy the garlic chicken from Food Max again. I took all the skin off, but it's permeated with garlic. So garlic bread I can eat, but obviously not garlic chicken and definitely not garlic fries. So I've been standing here for, I guess, an hour cutting all this up. There's 2 24-ounce bags of carrots in here, 3 bell peppers, a package of mushrooms, a can of broth, butter, celery. I think that's it. So what I'm going to do, it's too heavy to put the lid on this and try to get it in the oven. It's almost too heavy to get it in the oven. This Dutch oven is very heavy. So what I'm going to do, I've got the oven on. I will open the oven. I'll turn off this video. I can't do it in one hand. And you'll see the result when it's done in a couple of hours, I'm guessing. I'm not certain how long it'll take this to cook. And then sometime today I will clean up in the kitchen. I got to throw all the garbage out. Put the bones in there, the skin in a plastic bag and tie it off and run it down a chute. And I got recycling, but I can't do anything really at midnight in the way of cleaning. So I wash a couple bowls so the cats can get some. All right, and I need to get the counter, the cutting board, the floor, the cabinets. There's so much to do in here. I may just pay someone to come in one day and here, $90 an hour, clean everything, you know. So I don't have to do it. I'll just sit and watch it, do YouTube. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening, a great morning, great Sunday. Enjoy your day, and I hope I will enjoy this huge Dutch oven of chicken, and it'll be fun to put it in the oven. Not, it's really, really heavy. Bye-bye for now. And oh, by the way, remember, you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, and you won't be told about me, Kevin's insurance, or Weeble, or his real estate courses. You'll see content you don't see anywhere else, and sometime later near I will have stuff for my channel members to send them. And like the video, hit the like button, post a nice comment, subscribe, and get your friends to subscribe and join the channel as well. Remember, it helps feed homeless kitties. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and my hands are getting tired. Have a great morning. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now, and you'll see the results when this is done. So long.